A very good morning, students. So today we are starting with a new chapter in English literature, chapter number 9, Heidi in the City. So it's this beautiful story about a girl named Heidi, okay, and her life when she went into the city. So in the beginning, as the story says, Heidi was an orphan girl. She used to live with her grandparents. Heidi एक orphan थी. Orphan means जिसकी मम्मी डैडी नहीं है. Okay? A child who doesn't have mother or father. Okay? Parentless child. That is an orphan child. So Heidi was orphan. Okay? She used to live with her grandparents in the Alps or the mountains. They were not very rich. वो बिल्कुल गांव की जैसे ब्यूटीफुल सा एक विलेज था, उसमें रहते थे. Her grandparents used to live in the Alps or the mountains. Okay? बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सा विलेज था, बहुत रिच नहीं थे, but they used to live very nicely. हाइडी को माउंटेन लाइफ की आदत थी. बहुत सुंदर सीनरी में, पहाड़ी एरिया में रहना पसंद था. उसे जहां जाना है, जहां घूमना है पसंद था. Okay? She used to live and enjoy her life with her grandparents. Then one day her aunt Deet came to take her. She had a cousin sister. Heidi की एक cousin sister थी. What was her name? Clara. What was her name? Clara. Heidi की बहन थी. Okay? वो चल नहीं पाती थी. वो wheelchair पे चलती थी. Okay? It's a chair with wheels on it for people who cannot walk. Okay? You can see it in the image. Can you see here? This is Clara and she is on the wheelchair. This is the chair with wheels. Okay, so the chair will take you wherever you like. Okay, so she used to be all alone. They used to live in Frankfurt. Now Frankfurt is a place in Germany. Frankfurt Germany का एक शहर है और क्लारा फ्रैंकफर्ट में रहती थी उसकी आंट के साथ. ठीक है? अब क्लारा के पास कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं थे, अकेली रहती थी, तो उसकी आंट डीट उस हाइडी को लेने आई ताकि वो क्लारा के साथ थोड़ी सी फ्रेंडशिप करे, उसके साथ रहे, वो अकेले ना रहे. ओके? So it's a story about how Heidi, who used to live in Alps or the mountains, went to city that is Frankfurt in Germany, and how she experienced the city life. Okay? One morning, when Heidi opened her eyes, she saw that she is in this big room with long tall windows and this huge bed. Okay? एक दिन जब हाइडी ने आंखें खोली सुबह, तो उसने देखा कि एक बड़ा सा रूम है, ऊंची ऊंची विंडोज है, बड़े से बेड पे वो है. Okay? And then she was shocked. Then she stepped out of the bed and then she saw that windows are very high up. विंडोज बहुत ऊंची थी, वो बाहर कुछ नहीं देख सकती थी. ओके? जब कोई माउंटेन एरियाज या फिर नेचर के पास रहने लगता है तो उसे उसकी आदत हो जाती है. उसे सिटी लाइफ बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आती है. ऐसा ही कुछ हाइडी के साथ हुआ. Okay, same thing happened with Heidi. This girl, this little girl, Heidi. So the room had everything. Okay, the room had a butler. The butler's name was Sebastian, and he was there to help Heidi. Okay, there was this big room, big bed, everything was in the room. But this was not what Heidi wanted. Heidi को ये सब पसंद नहीं था. उस रूम में सब कुछ था, but Heidi को वो चीज पसंद नहीं थी. She was very curious to know about nature, about new things. And suddenly, when she found herself in this room where in the windows she could not see outside, she felt like a bird in a cage. जैसे हम बर्ड को एक केज में रखते हैं, उड़ने नहीं देते हैं, बाहर निकलने नहीं देते हैं, वैसा ही कुछ हाइडी को लगा कि सब कुछ अच्छा है अंदर, बट उसे तो बाहर जाना है, उसे बाहर एक्सप्लोर करना है. So she wanted to look out of the window in the city. हाइडी को बाहर देखना था कि सिटी कैसे लगता है. So she asked the butler, Sebastian, to open the windows for her so she could look outside. Sebastian opened the windows for her, gave her a stool to stand on and watch outside. Sebastian ने विंडोज खोली और हाइडी को स्टूल दिया उस पे चढ़ के सिटी का व्यू देखने के लिए. Okay? When Heidi climbed on the stool, she did not like the view because she was used to these beautiful mountains and natural areas. Okay? So she did not like the city at all. Okay? Next thing, Heidi was used to looking at the dome. What is a dome? This is a house and this is the ceiling. Okay? Round ceiling. This round ceiling in a house is a dome. Okay? This is called as dome. Okay? So, Heidi was used to looking at the dome. So she asked the butler, Sebastian, where can I find a dome? Sebastian said, you can find a dome in the church tower. Okay? Church tower where the church bell is. Okay? चर्च टावर में चर्च की बेल होती है. There she has a chance to find the golden dome. Okay? So Heidi got down from the stool immediately and ran off the house to see the dome. घर के बाहर निकल गई और स्ट्रीट्स पे आ गई उस डोम को ढूंढने के लिए. But she did not know the way to the church tower. चर्च टावर का रास्ता उसे नहीं पता था. She started walking and asking people, where can I find the church tower? On her way, she met a boy. Okay, she met a boy and she asked the way to church tower. चर्च टावर का रास्ता उसने पूछा उस छोटे से लड़के से. So he said, I'll take you there. मैं भी साथ चलूंगा. They went and reached the church tower. चर्च टावर पहुंच के हाइडी ऊपर गई उसने वो डोम देखा, बट शी डिड नॉट फील इट्स द सेम। उसको वो सेम फीलिंग नहीं आई जो उसे बचपन से आती है जब वो पहाड़ी में अपने घर पे डोम में देखती थी। ओके, देन शी स्टार्टेड रिंगिंग द चर्च बेल एंड देन शी वॉक्ड बैक टू द हाउस। वापस अपने घर को आने लगी। ओके, when she was coming back to the house, she passed from an attic. What is an attic? Space under the roof. Okay, एक छत के नीचे खाली स्पेस था, वहां से हाइडी निकली। उसने क्या देखा? एक आदमी था और एक बिल्ली थी। बिल्ली के छोटे छोटे बच्चे थे। What do you call babies of a cat? Kittens. Okay, so Heidi saw these small kittens. Okay, Heidi said, they are so cute. Can I have them? Okay, so the man said, yes, you can keep them. She had 2 pockets. He put these small little kittens in each of her pockets. She had 2 pockets, so that man put 2 baby kittens in 2 pockets. Okay, then she walked back home. The man thought maybe those small kittens may have a home. उन छोटी छोटी बेबी कैट्स को एक घर मिल जाएगा। Okay, so Heidi took her home with them. Then, when she reached back home, there was a housekeeper, Mrs. Rottenmeier. Okay, there was this housekeeper who used to take care of the house. Housekeeper कौन है? जो घर का ध्यान रखती हैं, घर के सारे काम संभालती हैं। She is a housekeeper. So they had a housekeeper called Miss Rottenmeier. When she saw Heidi, she got very angry. तुम किससे पूछ के बाहर गई थी? हम लोग कितना परेशान थे यहाँ पे। अब सिटी में अब छोटी सी लड़की आई है एंड देन उसे कोई रास्ता नहीं पता, वो चली गई बाहर, तो डर लगेगा कि वो कहाँ गई होगी। So Mrs. Rottenmeier was very angry. Okay, so Heidi sat quietly on the stool and Mrs. Rottenmeier was scolding her. उसे डांट रही थी। Okay, that you cannot get out of the house without a permission. किसी से बिना पूछे बाहर कैसे जा सकती हो? Then Heidi के पॉकेट से आवाज आई, meow. Okay, this is what the kittens or the cats make. This is the voice that kittens and cats make, meow. Okay, meow. All right, so there was a sound meow, meow. Okay, when she was scolding Heidi. So Mrs. Rottenmeier thought that Heidi is making fun of her. She's laughing. Okay, she's making fun of her when she's scolding her. वो डांट रही है और Heidi उनका मजाक उड़ा रही है. Okay, she got furious and she went away. When Heidi was getting scolded, Clara came and asked her, why are you making this meow meow when you can see Miss Rottenmeier is very angry? Miss Rottenmeier इतनी angry है, इतना गुस्सा कर रही है, and how can you make this meow? Heidi replied, this is not me, it's the kittens. Okay, मैंने ये आवाज नहीं निकाली, kittens ने निकाली. What kittens? Said Miss Rottenmeier. Okay, she was surprised कि kittens कहाँ से आए? So Miss Rottenmeier said, take these horrible things away from here. And she ran into the study. Study is a place where you study and keep all your books. Okay? So Rottenmeier ran into the study because she was so scared of cats. Miss Rottenmeier को cat से बहुत डर लगता था. तो उन्होंने सेबेस्टियन को कहा कि इसे यहाँ से हटाओ, इन kittens को यहाँ से हटाओ. Okay? So suddenly Sebastian was out of laughter. उसे बहुत हंसी आई. He went in a room. He started laughing and then he came back. When he came back, he saw that Heidi and Clara are playing so nicely with the kittens. Okay? So Sebastian promised he will take care of the kittens. He will give them bed and milk every day. So Sebastian prepared a bed for the kittens in the basket. Okay? In a basket, he made bed for the kittens. The children went happily to bed. They went to sleep thinking that kittens are safe and they are here to stay with them. Okay? So this was a very cute, very sincere story about a little girl called Heidi. I want you all to read the chapter, understand it well. In case of any difficulties, you can ask me. Alright, then start with the exercise. Thank you.